In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Hostinger login email in just a few minutes. Updating your login email is a simple but important step, especially if you've switched to a new email address or want to keep your account more secure. I'll walk you through the process clearly and carefully so you can follow along with confidence. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. You can type Hostinger into your search bar or enter the URL directly. When you land on the home page, look toward the upper right corner and you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click that to move forward. You will now be asked to enter your current login details. Type in your email and password, then click the login button to access your Hostinger account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll arrive at the H panel. This control panel is the main area where you manage everything related to your website, hosting services, and of course, your account settings. At the top of the H panel, you should see your profile icon or your account name. Click on it to open a small menu. From here, choose the option labeled Profile. This is where all of your personal account information is stored. Inside the Profile section, look for the area called Account Information. This section includes important details such as your name, contact information, and your login email. Take a moment to review these sections so you know exactly where everything is located. Now, find the email field. This is the part where you'll be able to update your login address. Click the edit option next to it and a text box will appear allowing you to enter your new email. Make sure you type the new address carefully so you avoid mistakes. This email will be the one you use for login, password recovery, and important notifications from Hostinger. After entering the new email, Hostinger will usually send a verification message to that address. This step ensures you have access to the new email and confirms that the change was intentional. Open your new inbox, find the verification email, and click the confirmation link inside. Depending on your account settings, you may also receive a security confirmation in your old email. Once you've completed the verification, your Hostinger login email is officially updated. The next time you sign in, make sure you use your new email address along with your usual password, and that's all it takes. You've successfully changed your Hostinger login email using a fast and easy process. Keeping your account information up to date is essential for maintaining access, improving security, and staying informed about important updates. If you ever run into problems or have questions, Hostinger's support team is always available to help. Thank you for watching. And I hope this tutorial made the process simple and stress-free.